Hey there, design enthusiasts. Let's talk Pantone. You know those little color swatches that make designers' hearts flutter? They're like a secret weapon in the design world. They're more than just pretty colors. They're a universal language of color communication. Imagine being able to speak the same color language no matter where you are in the world. Pantone is a standardized color matching system. It's like a dictionary for colors, ensuring everyone understands the exact shade being referred to. It provides a way for designers, printers, and manufacturers to ensure that everyone is on the same page when it comes to color. This is crucial for maintaining brand consistency and quality. No more guessing games or color mishaps. With Pantone, you can be confident that the color you choose is the color you get. Each Pantone color has a unique number, making it easy to identify and reproduce with accuracy. It's like having a precise recipe for your favorite dish. Think of it like this. Pantone gives every color a name and address, so you always know exactly where to find it. It's like having a GPS for colors. Whether you're working on a logo, packaging, or a website, Pantone colors guarantee consistency and precision every step of the way. This ensures that your brand looks the same no matter where it appears. Now that you know what we're dealing with, let's dive into the exciting world of Pantone. Get ready to explore the endless possibilities and vibrant hues that Pantone has to offer. Pantone colors aren't just for design nerds, they're everywhere. Think about your favorite brand, chances are their logo is printed using Pantone colors. That iconic Coca-Cola red? Yep, it's Pantone 484C, the vibrant green of a Starbucks cup. That's Pantone 3425C. Packaging design relies heavily on Pantone to maintain color consistency across different materials and printing processes. Imagine opening a box of your favorite cereal and the colors looking dull and lifeless. Not a good look. From fashion to product design, branding, and beyond, Pantone colors are the unsung heroes of visual communication, ensuring that brands look their best every single time. Now let's talk about how Pantone integrates seamlessly with our trusty design companion, Adobe Illustrator. This powerful combination allows designers to bring their visions to life with precision and ease. Illustrator makes it incredibly easy to incorporate Pantone colors into your workflow. With just a few clicks, you can access a vast array of Pantone hues, ensuring your designs are always on point. First, open the Swatches panel. It's like your color library within Illustrator. This panel is your gateway to a world of color possibilities. Then, navigate to the Pantone library you need, whether it's for print or web. This ensures that your colors are consistent across different mediums. Once you've found the perfect Pantone hue, simply click to add it to your Swatches panel. This makes it easy to access and use in your projects. Now it's just a click away, ready to be applied to your designs. This seamless integration saves you time and enhances your creative process. It's like having a rainbow at your fingertips. With such a wide range of colors, your design possibilities are endless. Illustrator and Pantone are like two peas in a pod. They work together harmoniously to make your design dreams a vibrant reality. This dynamic duo ensures that your creative visions are always vibrant and true to life. Section 4. Tips and tricks for Pantone newbies. Working with Pantone for the first time? Don't sweat it. We've all been there. It can be a bit overwhelming at first, but with a little guidance, you'll be navigating those swatches like a pro. Here are a few handy tips to get you started on the right track. These tips will help you avoid common pitfalls and make the most out of your Pantone experience. First things first, always double-check that you're using the correct Pantone library for your intended output. Different projects may require different libraries, so it's crucial to get this right. Pantone Solid Coated is your go-to for most print projects, while Pantone Solid Uncoated is perfect for uncoated paper stocks. Knowing the difference can save you a lot of headaches. Second, be mindful of color variations. Colors can shift depending on the medium, so always check your work. Pantone colors can look slightly different on screen than they do in print. Adjust your monitor settings to get the closest match possible. To avoid any surprises, it's always a good idea to order a physical Pantone swatch book. This way you can see the true colors in different lighting conditions. Trust me, it's worth its weight in gold. Having a physical reference can make all the difference in your design projects. Section 5. Pantone colors in Illustrator, a powerful partnership. Using Pantone colors in Illustrator brings a whole host of benefits to the table. First and foremost, it guarantees color accuracy throughout your design process. From screen to print, your colors will remain consistent and true to your vision. This is especially crucial when working with brands that have strict color guidelines. Secondly, Pantone colors streamline communication between designers, clients, and printers. By using a standardized system, everyone involved can be confident that they're on the same page when it comes to color. No more misinterpretations or color mishaps. Section 6, Conclusion. Unleashing the power of Pantone in your designs. There you have it, Pantone colors and Adobe Illustrator. A match made in design heaven. By embracing the power of Pantone, you're unlocking a world of possibilities for your designs. You'll achieve unmatched color accuracy, streamline your workflow, and ensure that your creative vision shines through in all its vibrant glory. So, go forth, fellow designers, and paint the world with Pantone.